In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Alibaba account. If you're sure you no longer need your profile, I'll walk you through the exact path to close it and what to expect along the way. Before you begin, double check that you can sign in and that you have access to the email inbox or mobile number linked to your account. Since a one-time verification code is required, start by going to alibaba.com and logging in. Once you're in, look for the profile icon at the top of the page. Click it and open Account Settings. This is the hub where you manage your personal information and security preferences. Inside Account Settings, select Account Security. This section houses the controls related to passwords, verification, and account status. It's the right place to initiate closure. Scroll down until you see an option labeled Close Account or Deactivate Account. The exact wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that permanently ends your Alibaba account. When you click it, Alibaba may show a brief explanation of what closing means, including loss of access to messages, orders, and saved information. Read that carefully so there are no surprises later. Next, you'll be asked to choose a reason for closing your account. Pick the option that best matches your situation. Your choice won't affect your ability to close the account, but it helps the platform understand why users leave. You'll then complete identity verification. Alibaba will send a one-time code to your registered email or via SMS to your mobile number. Enter the code exactly as it appears. Codes usually expire quickly, so if it takes too long or you don't receive one, use the resend option and check your spam or junk folder for email deliveries. For security, never share these codes with anyone. When you're ready, click Confirm or Submit to finalize the request. You may see a final confirmation screen reminding you that this action can't be undone and that your data and access will be removed. If everything looks right, proceed. After submission, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. That means the process has started and you may be automatically signed out. You might receive a confirmation email about the closure status. Depending on internal processing, the account and associated data will be removed according to Alibaba's policies. That's it. You've navigated to account settings, opened account security, selected the closure option, provided a reason, verified your identity, and confirmed the request. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your Alibaba account with confidence.